Hello, welcome to Not for Exam, and I am your host Sujit, and we are going to discuss intensity in single slit diffraction qualitatively. We can divide slit width B in n equal zones, each of width delta y, such that n delta y is equal to B. Phase difference between two wavelets at a distance delta y will be delta phi, that is 2 pi by lambda into delta y sin theta. Also, let due to each zone, delta E is the individual amplitude at P. At theta is equal to 0, delta phi is equal to 0 between adjacent waves at delta y distance apart, and net amplitude will be E maximum, as can be seen from the phasor diagram. For n tending to infinity and delta y tending to 0, phasor diagram turns into a continuous curve, and two adjacent waves can be assumed at a distance delta y tending to 0. At any general angle theta, delta phi is equal to 2 pi by lambda into delta y sin theta, and phasor diagram can show the resultant amplitude as shown. For delta y tending to 0 or n tending to infinity, phasor diagram turns into a continuous curve. At B sin theta is equal to lambda or theta is equal to sin inverse lambda by B, there is a minima, and phasor diagram turns into a closed circle showing the 0 resultant amplitude. Similarly, H for B sin theta is equal to n lambda or theta is equal to sin inverse n lambda by B. Phasor diagram turns into complete circle showing 0 resultant amplitude. Thanks for watching Not for Exam, and we will see you next time.